Emergency meeting! Red is the imposter! No, blue is! You're the imposter! Oh man, we'll never agree! What does this letter say? Yay! I got accepted to astronaut college! That's so unexpected! This is our classroom!
Wow.
Awesome! I hope class starts soon! Hello, students! Now hush! Not the imposter! Not the imposter! Please! And here's the imposter! Here are your tasks. The imposter's task is to sabotage everyone and get them expelled from college. Awesome! Get your tasks and go! Class, we're taking a test today. Watch the time and be quiet. Cover a clock with red acrylic paint. Make a clock face out of a printed picture of a character from the game. This test is so boring. I know all the answers. I studied. Blue answered all the questions. Nice. I'm taking her work. Red swapped out the tests. I won't let that slide. Nobody's here. False alarm. The test should be in this drawer. What? It needs a code? Birthday, maybe? No. Maybe pie? Yes!
Yeah!
It worked! Here it is! Destroy it now! Bad luck! My glasses! Where's the card? I'll swap the cards. Here you go. Thanks! You really helped me out. The card is mine. You're so welcome. Let's see if you can get into class. Welcome! You can get in with your personal cards. Come in. Hello! Hold on. What's wrong? Why isn't it working? Calm down. Don't break anything. The card isn't working. You can't come in. Hey! But how is this possible? I'm so confused. Julie, this card is expired. Where did you get it? If we follow the map, we need to go here. What's wrong with the lights? I have a flashlight. Let's try to fix it. Get your notebook. Cut an old notebook into a square. Color it with black acrylic paint. Cut more details out of cardboard. Cover them with paint. Glue them to the sides of the notebook. Attach colorful wires to the cardboard. Here you go! Your task is to fix the wires. Okay, we don't have a lot of time. I'll hold the light. You connect the wires. It worked!
Wow.
High five! I heard a scream! Let's run! Come on! My science project! It's ruined! You could have done better. You won't get a good grade for this. What? Oh no! But why? I worked so hard! What happened? It's all ruined! Completely! Poor Julie! Who could have done this? Any ideas? Alice, I think Red might be the imposter. Let's hide and watch her. Okay. Nobody's here. I can get to work. Oh, you dropped your folders. That's bad. In the meantime, I'll give you bad grades. Cut a piece out of Styrofoam following a template. Glue a foam paper piece on top. Cover it with acrylic paint. Draw a skull. Color it in. Go over the outlines. Glue letters made out of foam paper on top. Cut the letter F mirrored out of a sponge. Glue it to the back of the stamp. That's weird. When did I have time to grade all the tests? I see. I know who the imposter is. Alice, did you see that? Huh? What? I was playing Among Us. Oh, you! It's time to act big. Emergency meeting! Let's decide who the imposter is. And this lie detector will help me. Let's start with blue. Plug it in. Are you the imposter? Tell the truth. No, it's not me. Okay, yay! Next! I'm ready. What's this button? Don't touch!
Ouch.
You'll break it! Who sabotaged us? I don't know. Be careful! No results. Hey, Red, come back! What's wrong? Mr. Cosine, I'm sorry! Good thing I have a cheat sheet prepared. No cheating! Uh-huh, right. Hey, you're cheating! That's not fair! What's wrong? Red is cheating! No, white is cheating! Red! White! Cut it out! Emergency meeting! X-ray radiation! Oops! I'll get rid of my cheat sheet! I don't have anything! Red tricked everyone again! Class is over! You're free to go! Everyone's gone! Nice! Now I can have fun! Hey! Look what I have! The alarm worked! Everyone get to the classroom! Oh no! What happened here? A tornado? Mr. Cosine will be here in 5 minutes! Hurry up! Get to work! We can do it together! Faster! Go faster! No time to rest! We made it! We did the impossible! Hello, class! Let's get started! But who made this mess? Who could have done this? It must be here somewhere! Oh, here's my backpack! And a phone with the camera on. Cut 2 identical pieces out of red felt. Give another piece of felt zigzag edges. Make an opening in the middle. Attach a zipper. Hot glue the pieces together. Attach a visor. Add carabiners and a ribbon. Make backpack straps. Let's see. No way! That's who sabotaged us! Great, there's nobody here. I'll leave a note for the teacher. Melt white crayons in the microwave. Fill a silicone bone-shaped mold with the melted wax. Let it harden. Cover a plastic egg with light clay. Make a character from Among Us. Cut along the line of the opening. Fill the inside with clay and insert the crayon bone. Color the figurine with acrylic paint. everyone can see you! I was almost late! Hello, class! Let's get started! What's this? The teacher is a loser? Who did this? You're all getting punished! Oh no! Freddy, I have an idea! There should be fingerprints on the note! Good thing I always have a microscope with me! Let's take some tape and compare fingerprints! Let me swap out my glasses! Now we can begin! Julie, are you almost done? There are only my fingerprints on here! Oh no! I'll cut the wires and turn off the power! Look! It's the imposter! Oh no! I have to stop them! Let's go to the red button! Quick! Oh! I'll cover you! I have the red button! Oh! We didn't make it! But I have my own emergency button! You won't escape, imposter! Mark a circle on Styrofoam. Cut it out. Cover it with acrylic paint. Cut out an opening for the button. Color it in. Attach a plastic box. Put the button inside. Bye-bye, Red! Finally, the day you've all been waiting for! Congratulations on completing your education! Here are your diplomas! Freddy, since you found the imposter, you're graduating with honors! Draw game characters on food-grade plastic. Cut it out. Bake it at 215 degrees. Color it with acrylic paint. Glue a pin back to the reverse side. Thank you! Congratulations! Thanks! We did it! Yay! Did you like our video about Among Us school supplies? Then comment below and tell us what you liked the most. A grade stamp, the notebook, the clock, or the Among Us backpack. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.